How to change iPhone notification sounds? Keep watching. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Select an option such as Text Tone, New Voicemail, or New Mail. Scroll through the list and choose a sound you like. To change a specific app's notification sound, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Apps. Select any app you want, then tap on Notifications. Navigate to the Alerts section and tap on Sounds. Choose your preferred notification sound. For third-party app sounds, return to the app page, select the app, like WhatsApp, and tap on Notifications. Find the Sounds option. This only allows toggling on/off. Scroll down and tap on WhatsApp Notification Settings to redirect to WhatsApp Settings. Under Message Notifications, tap on Sound. Select your desired sound for notifications. And that's it. Subscribe for more efficient iPhone tricks.